Yeah, I kind of wanted something more in my life, something a little bit more meaningful, something more substantial, something that I could see the progress every single day.
I tell folks that a millwright would be the heavy industry maintenance mechanic. So installation and repair of heavy industry equipment.
Technically, we're labeled as industrial mechanics. We'll go into power plants, chemical plants. We'll work on solar fields, wind turbines.
We also do a lot of work with conveyors in airports, UPS facilities, anything with a conveyor really.
Power plants, chemical plants. We'll work on solar fields, wind turbines. If it's got bolts, we're gonna take it apart and put it back together.
Through our program, all apprentices graduate with a welding certifications, a journeyman certificate, and through the EAS, an associate's degree from one of the online colleges or in person. So we've taken folks right out of high school to endless ages, doesn't matter.
It's about half and half, book workshop time.
We do a lot of qualifications and certification tests. Everything we do here is training for on-the-job work.
With the crane using correct hand signals and voice signals in order to prep us for our practical.
So you go on the website, wvtrades.org. You put in your application, they call you, set up an interview date, you come in and interview.
You'll take a math test and like a common sense test, just to see if you're going to be able to actually work or if this isn't right for you.
If they get accepted into the program, to get into the UBC, it's a $60 initiation fee. Their applicant fee, then our working dues is $25 a month. So typical payment would be $135 to get into the program, but that's the $60 is a one-time fee, and that's it. This whole apprenticeship is at no cost to the apprentice. So they're earning money working, but not spending money learning.
You're paid to train. Like your whole apprenticeship, you're being paid to go to work and learn new things. You have downtime, you get to travel.
I work 6 months out of the year and make just as much as I was working full time.
It has changed my life financially. I now have a retirement. I have an annuity and a pension. I have full health care.
In a millwright apprenticeship, once you get accepted, it's a total of 800 hours in classroom training. For your program, the minimum for completion is 5,300 OJT or on-the-job training hours.
Everything we do is teamwork to an extent. You're always paired up with somebody. We'll peer check each other on any measurements that we take, so you'll always have somebody with you to make sure that you're doing everything right.
We are definitely a family-oriented craft. Everybody knows each other. Keeping this trade going and being able to support our retirees in West Virginia just makes it an overall better place to be.
Absolutely, I encourage people to join the trades because it's a great organization.
Challenge yourself. Do something that you may not have any experience doing, and by the time that you're done with your apprenticeship, which is almost the exact same as going to college, but you get paid money to do it, why not go try something?
If you want to join the construction trades, log on to wvtrades.org.